All right. Welcome. Thursday PPI report, guys. Is this in? Yes, it is. So, let's get into it. Going to financial juice. We got, in 4 minutes, we got PPI, US PPI report and the US initial jobless claims release. And let's see what do we get. And let's check out the charts. So, the charts on the 50-minute chart, we look like want to push. And we might push above the 200s, somewhere up there. I would like to YOLO it. This is what I'd like to do. It's like I want to just yeet. However, I will tell you guys something that you should not do. If you're buying this, guys, if you're buying a 50k account and it is your very first account with Apex. By the way, like, subscribe. Links down below in the description. Use code in the description for 80% off. And let me tell you guys something. After a month, if I did not reach the target, $3,000, I will go full port in 5 minis or 10 minis, the full package. And we'll take a good setup and hope that we can pass with 10 contracts. But let's see what happens in a month. So if 5 days before the rebill I have not passed, if in 5 days before the rebill I have not passed the 50k combine, I will go full port. Because at the end of the month, by the way, guys, you get a free reset. So if you blown your account and you pay the rebill, your account gets reset in the moment that you pay it. So it's like once you pay a membership and your account is blown, you will get a free reset. You won't have to pay the reset fee for the account. So 50-minute chart looks good for a push. Let's go. Let's see the QQQ. Mark out the gaps here. Tiny little gap to the downside. There we go. Yes, is holding. We're chopping before PPI, and I think. Let's see. Initially, this 200 area, once again, it's key level. We're inside this massive chop. Let's check out the daily chart, by the way. Ah, interesting. We're making kind of this. We're making this type of breakouty thing. If we can get above the 200s, well, let's see. There you go. News is in. Wick to the downside. Interesting. Wick to the downside. Very interesting because on the 1 minute chart, if you take a look, we took out the stops that were sitting at this level. We had stops sitting here probably and some stops sitting here probably. I think we'll dump to get them, and I think we have some more stops sitting here to get. See? Swipe through it, swipe through it, swipe through it. Imagine. Testing the bottom of the range. Let's mark this out on the 15-minute chart. 150s key level. And 184s right here. The plan is simple. We dump down and retest the 150s. Very simple. Okay, gaps are getting not yet closed since those aren't yet officially open. But yeah, we're dumping hard. Might get a tiny little long. Get a tiny ass long. If we can push somewhere back up into the 50s, that would be great. Down here, 49s. Take me out 36s. Think we can push it. We literally don't want to go higher than the 43s, which is very strange. I'm gonna have my mouse to kill it. There we go. Gonna take it off right there. I don't like it. Might get short, however. I'm gonna add some more into the 30s. Okay, down $46. We're fine. Let's check out the charts. We went back up there to the VWAP. It's too volatile, bruv. It's just nonsense. Let me check out. Is there something coming out now? Let's refresh this. No, there's nothing coming out at this time. Everything just came out already. Oh my god, man. Where's the... Oh no, man. Look at this. Got stopped out right there. Getting short here, I might just fuck it and get short. But at this point, guys, we don't have any reason to get short. I mean, look, this isn't exactly the setup I wanted to see play out. I mean, we did retest the 49s here. Normally we're in the 50s. What I like to see play out now is get back up into the 30s and continue. And by the way, guys, this is my way of trading. I am not a buy signal chat room. So I do not encourage anyone to copy me because I am not a professional broker. I'm trading for myself and for myself only. God damn, the fact that there's no pullbacks. What the hell, dude? We got no liquidity here. We got no zones where we could get some type of stops. So technically we could run the hundreds really easily. I think we won those 90 area. I think we won that day of high of the day level. Okay. I'm gonna bump it up to 4 micros. What do you mean 34? 4 micros, bro. Push back up there 30s. There we go. Push back up there into the 30 area. There we go, 30 level. Be patient. 10 minutes in. Push up there 35s. I wonder what the next move would be like in terms of. We're at 39s right now. Very curious. Very curious. Previous resistance was here at the 40s. So if we get denied at the 40s, get back down below the 30s. I don't mind an idea for a short, maybe into the 95s, like yesterday. Getting stuck here, getting hesitant. Would like maybe to see this push prior resistance, I guess, which is 47s. This should have been a short right here. There we go, 50s. I think this is it. I think this is the setup that we want to see. 50s. Now I want to see for a setup to maybe get short. Okay, this looks reasonable. We're back up there, VWAP. ES is above the VWAP, but we want this back down. Unless if we go back above the 60s, 65s, then it's not good. Obviously. Prior resistance, look at this, 50s, 51s. Let's see. Gonna get short right there. Stop above the 57s, 56. I don't think it was too early. I want to see these lows at 25s further getting ran through, getting smacked. Take me out 55s if it doesn't want to continue, because this looks like it finds support right here, which is this is not a good spot, so I want to get out just at 55s. This is a huge wick. I don't know if I'm getting the I don't know if I'm gonna get the continuation that I actually want. Yeah, no, I don't think we're gonna get the continuation. This looks bull flaggy. However, looks good for a long at this point. There we go. There's the long. Should have switched immediately long. Still, this looks like it's still quite bearish. On the 5-minute chart, even 15-minute chart. There we go. There we go. There's a pivot. There's a pivot. And there's a short. Do we get it? No, I don't think we get it. Oh, I do. We do get it. Let it go lower and lower and lower. Get me out at 41s if we just keep denying. $42s. If it gets back down below the 30s, I will add 4 more. With the stop 43s, give it a little bit of wiggle room, unless it wants to actually start ripping. Nope, stop after stop after stop. $141, we're good. Gonna get long right there because I think we just ran through some liquidity stops right there. Just put my stop in the 36s. Straight back down into drawdown, which, I mean, classic. We're gonna have to wait for open, see what market open gives us, because at this point it's just ridiculous. Gonna add into the 52s. Move the stop 42s. There we go. We're in some more. Gonna take some out into the 60s. This might be the greatest chop ever. This might be a very nasty chop, guys. What's the trailing drawdown? Trailing drawdown looks good. Still have a lot of wiggle room. Still have a lot of opportunity. We didn't lose the account yet. Okay, take out some there into the 60s probably. 60 level and then move up higher, 40, 68, somewhere up there. Move the stops up here. 46. It's wicking too much, guys. I don't like it. These wicks just seem... ugh. Look at these. That's ridiculous. That is just ridiculous. I'm gonna get out and then walk away and then come back at open. Unfortunate, down $200. That's just sad, bro. That's just disgusting. Okay, fuck off. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna stop. And I'll come back at open. Look at this wick. And we might, because we lost so much, I think at open we will go in one full mini. But the way I see it is we're gonna stay away. We're gonna stay away. Because right now, this isn't what we want to see. This is just some insane wrecking. Wow. Alright guys, I'll see you guys back at open. Market open for Thursday open. Let's go.